Programming 101. Symbols used in programming. Semicolon. It's like a full stop in English. It tells the computer that a line of code has ended. Like in this example, curly braces. They help group sections of code together. You need an opening brace and a closing brace. If you don't have both, you'll get an error. Here's how it's used. Brackets. Used to hold things like parameters or arguments. Also used for comparisons in programming, similar to how you use them in math. For example, equals versus double equals. Equal sign is used to assign a value to a variable. Equal sign is used to check if two values are equal. Example, is equal to, used to compare values. Means less than. Equal sign means less than or equal to. Means greater than. Equal sign means greater than or equal to. Is not equal. Used to check if two values are not the same. For example, single quotes, used for single characters or symbols. Double quotes, used for strings with multiple characters. Needed in JSON, easier for writing sentences in English. Square brackets, used to define arrays. Array indexes start at 0. For example, follow for more.